While it may not be the prettiest start to this Wednesday, we are definitely feeling a difference with temperatures and with conditions outside. Mostly cloudy to overcast conditions sitting at 80 degrees here in Jackson, dew point at 72 degrees. But the difference in regards to how it feels today compared to yesterday is that we have started to see those winds shifting out of the north-northwest. So with northerly breeze, we're able to see some cool air kind of usher into the Magnolia State as a whole. So temperatures are in the low to mid 80s across the state. But we are feeling just a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more bearable. We're actually seeing a bit of a temperature difference, mostly for areas near the Mississippi Delta. But don't worry, cool air is on the way and it is looking like it is going to stay around. Now, as the cold front approaches us, we could see some scatter showers possible, but any rain that we've seen here is kind of fizzled out. It's lost its steam a little bit just because there's just not enough moisture to produce some rain. But we are starting to see some clearing that is crossing over to the Mississippi River, and we'll notice some clearing as well. But for folks just east of us with Hurricane Michael, not seeing any clearing whatsoever. Want to notice just how wide this hurricane is, reaching from central Florida all the way to the Mississippi-Alabama line, almost 450 miles wide. But the eye is just now starting to make landfall. It is looking like it's going to make landfall just east, if not crossing over portions of Panama City. So we've seen Michael explode. It gained strength, it gained intensity, and it is maintaining Category 4 strength, maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour, which is just shy of Category 5 strength. So not only is this a major hurricane, but we're going to see catastrophic impacts like storm surge, wind damage. We'll see a good amount of flooding and rain concern as well, but this is not looking like Florence where we're going to see widespread flooding. It's mostly looking like storm surge as this area continues to wrap around, continue bringing Gulf moisture into the state of Florida. That's going to pump into the Florida Panhandle and into southern Alabama and into central Georgia, because as Michael continues to make landfall, it is going to take a more northeast track and continue heading towards central Georgia. But it is going to move just south of Atlanta, more so over Macon, Georgia. So if you have friends and family in that area, tell them to still hunker down, to still prepare, because this storm is going to continue moving through central Georgia, central South Carolina, North Carolina, and then head out to sea. So after that, we won't see any impacts from Michael. We are expecting a good amount of rain from Michael, but this is not the biggest concern from this system, nor are we really going to see rain from that cold front that we're anticipating. So let's get to that cold front. So that cold front is going to push Michael out of our hairs, and it's also going to bring some cool fall air, which is fantastic. We're already going to see a difference in temperatures tonight. We're going to see those overnight lows already dipping down to the low 60s, and then after that, guess what? More cool air is on the way. And we're also going to see some clearing as well as we head into the latter half of this week. So perfect weather in store for the Canton Flea Market and for the latter half of the Mississippi State Fair. Overnight lows are going to be in the 50s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So fall is here, and it's going to be great. Andrew.
Absolutely. Jackson State homecoming, too.
Yes,
perfect weather for that.
Oh, yes.
Fantastic. Rebecca, here's something about the power of Hurricane Michael. We've been talking about him all morning long.